Hello, my name is Jerry McSparron, and this is another JMAC engine shop rebuild completion video. Today's date is November the 17th of 2023. Today's engine is a small journal 1296, and it's engine number FE34952E, and so it is it's been completely rebuilt, and belongs to Bob and his son Dan, and they're going to put it in place of an 1147 in a Triumph Spitfire. And so this engine came to me. It was just tired. It had a lot of miles on it and needed to be rebuilt, and so it's got all new bearings, and the crankshaft's been turned, and it's been bored, and it's got new flat top pistons, and all the clearances have been renewed back to what it would have been like at factory. And so it's got a new 270 cam and new tapettes and a new rocker shaft and a number of many new things that are in it. And so it should run for a long time and give them lots of smiles throughout the miles. And so they wanted me to use their carburetor, and I had to source another intake manifold, because the 1147 has a 6-port head and this is an 8-port head. So they'll notice some power changes, and they'll get a lot more pep out of the car, and I'm sure they'll enjoy that. I'm going to let's see, the oil pressure. Oil pressure was 70 at startup when it was cold. I never saw it get below 55, and then when it was up to speed, it was around 68 to 70 again. And the temperature has not been a problem, but it's been a cool day in the 60s here in Illinois, and so that's why we don't experience a lot of temperature problems. The compression was 136 to 140 across the board, and so that's good, and so it should last them a good long time. So anyway, we're going to start it up and let them hear it run, and I'll speed it up, and then we'll close out the video. Okay, there you have it. It's ready to be picked up or shipped to you. And if you're interested in an engine like this, go to my website, JMAC Engine Shop at Weebly.weebly.com.